Your smart home hub runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, which means if it's pulling unnecessary power or routing everything through the cloud, you're paying for it in both electricity and privacy. In 2026, the best hubs are not just smarter, they're leaner, faster, and built for sustainable, local-first living. I went deep on 5 of the most capable options right now, and I'm breaking down exactly which one fits your setup. If this is the kind of content you're here for, hit subscribe. We cover smart home and tech sustainability every single week, starting with the most sustainability-focused hub on this list, the Home Assistant Green. This is the official entry-level hardware from the Home Assistant project, and it has been specifically engineered to run continuously with minimal energy draw. It consumes just 1.7 watts in standby and peaks at around 3 watts under maximum load, which is remarkably low for a hub running full home automation around the clock. Under the hood sits a Rockchip RK3566 quad-core ARM Cortex A55 processor running at 1.8 GHz, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of eMMC storage, soldered directly to the board, which means no SD card failures over time. Home Assistant OS comes pre-installed, so setup is genuinely plug and play. Connect Ethernet and power, wait 2 minutes, open your browser. No cloud dependency, no subscriptions, no vendor lock-in. It connects to Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and thousands of devices through open source integrations. For anyone who wants full local control, a completely open ecosystem, and a hub that barely registers on the electricity bill, the Home Assistant Green is the one to start with. Yeah. The AOTech Smart Home Hub 2, also known as the V4, is the SmartThings hub for 2026. When Samsung stepped back from making SmartThings hardware, AOTech stepped in. And the V4 is a significant generational upgrade over what came before. It runs a 900 MHz CPU with 512 megabytes of RAM, delivering double the processing speed of the previous generation, with faster boot times, faster device onboarding, and more reliable local automation execution. Protocol support is broad. Matter, Thread, and Zigbee 3.0 are all built in, and it can connect up to 300 devices per hub. Both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity are included, making placement flexible without tethering it to your router. Local edge computing means automations continue running even when the internet goes down. Voice assistant integration covers Alexa, Google Home, and Bixby. The SmartThings app is one of the more polished and beginner-friendly platforms in this category, making it easy to set up and manage without a steep learning curve. The Aqara Hub M3 is the multi-protocol powerhouse on this list, and it is one of the most thoughtfully engineered hubs available in 2026. It supports Zigbee, Thread, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Matter simultaneously, and it serves as both a Matter controller and a Thread border router, making it genuinely future-proof as the smart home ecosystem continues to mature around these open standards. One of the standout additions over previous Aqara hubs is the built-in IR blaster, which lets you control traditional non-smart appliances, air conditioners, TVs, fans, through the same app and automations as your smart devices. That level of unified control is rare at this price. The hub is powered via USB-C and also supports power over Ethernet for flexible placement anywhere in the home. Automations run locally through onboard eMMC storage with end-to-end encrypted processing, which reduces cloud dependency and improves both speed and privacy. The Hubitat at our Elevation C8 Pro is the privacy-first, zero-compromise local processing hub. And in 2026, it has earned an 8.6 out of 10 consensus score across 11 expert reviews, with Wirecutter calling it the most reliable smart home hub they have tested. The key differentiator here is absolute. Everything runs locally inside your home. Automations execute in milliseconds. Your home continues working through internet outages, and no data is ever sent to external servers. Protocol support is the widest on this list. Matter 1.5, Z-Wave 800 long range, Zigbee 3.0, Bluetooth, Ring integration, and LAN connections, all working with over 1,000 devices from 100 plus brands. External antennas on both the Zigbee and Z-Wave radios improve range and reliability throughout larger homes. The AI-assisted automation engine allows more complex and responsive routines without requiring cloud services or subscriptions. Closing out with the Apple HomePod Mini. And in 2026, this is no longer just a speaker. It serves as a full HomeKit hub and Matter controller with a built-in Thread border router, making it a genuinely capable smart home hub for anyone already within the Apple ecosystem. It sits at a competitive price point while delivering reliable local processing for HomeKit automations and remote access when you're away from home. The HomePod Mini supports Matter natively, which dramatically expands the number of compatible third-party devices beyond just HomeKit. As a Thread border router, it creates a low-power self-healing mesh network for Thread-enabled devices throughout your home, meaning better range and reliability without adding additional hubs or repeaters. Siri handles voice control for connected devices, and the Home app provides a clean, intuitive interface for managing automations, scenes, and device groups. Those are your 5 best energy-efficient smart home hubs for sustainable living in 2026. From an ultra-low power open-source platform to Apple's seamless HomeKit ecosystem. Whether you prioritize privacy, protocol support, or a polished beginner experience, there's a hub here built exactly for your home. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.